Okay, I figured out a way to get rid of the headroom section here on the stairs. So thanks for your input today, at least to get me started. If I go to rules and standards when in the info box for the stairs, I just figured out one way to do it. If I take this left or right offset, if I make this a larger number than the width of the stairs, I believe that my stair width, yes, 3.8 right now. If I note this 3.8 or more, this will go away. So I'm just going to put in 4 feet, and it goes away. It wouldn't matter if you did left or right offset. I did do it both ways. So if that was 0, I could do the right offset at 4 feet, and it goes away. So hopefully that helps. It's not the best solution, but it is a solution.